Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her final results on her DNA. The AncestryDNA results are finally revealed, you guys. I've been sitting on this for a long time because I haven't had a chance to get on the camera. How are you guys doing for the month of June? I hope everything is going well. We are in hurricane season, so we are all in high alerts, just making sure that we are prepared for what we can prepare for. Since we had a jump start earlier towards the end of May of already having tropical depressions and things of that nature. So that is what's going on with us today. Well, for the month of June, we're just trying to prepare ourselves. Hopefully you guys are in a safe area as well. South Florida is one of the most dangerous places to live in, but I can't live in other places because I can't tolerate cold weather. I have arthritis at such a young age, but it's something that I'll manage in the future. Really, all you have to do is to get rid of sugar. That would reduce inflammation from the body, and sugar is truly my crack cocaine. That's heroin, and I don't know how to stop it, but I am working on it. All right, so here's my results here. I'm excited. I printed it out because my eyes are jacked up. I can't see nothing off of the phone because I can't see. So I'll let you guys know that I have 46%. Kind of had an idea I was majority because I kind of understand my bloodline because I am 100% Haitian. And we kind of know exactly which area of Africa we were being pulled from. Just thought it was more of like Nigeria in that area, in the coastal area. But we are more, and I knew I was Congo too. So it is 46% Cameroon, Congo, and the southern Bantu people. Right? I wonder if it's going to come up backwards for you guys. It might. So I'll say the rest out loud. And that's 46%. I'm thinking I'm going to have a high, like 86% kind of thing. So that was a shocker too. And then I had 36% in Togo and Benin. So I'm really excited about that. I'm definitely one of those people who's probably going to visit the land because I am one of those people. Ireland and Scotland, which is 7%. And that is something pretty surprised about. So I would say that's pretty interesting. 7% Ireland and Scotland. All right. And I have 6% Mali. And I would say that's pretty cool. Definitely be doing researches in these areas. And that was 6 for Mali, M-A-L-I. I have 2% South African South Central hunter-gatherers, which definitely is the reason why they pluck us up, and then we got transferred down to the Caribbean because we were closer to the coast area. And I thought that would have been higher, but that's 2%. You have another 2% in the Ivory Coast of Guyana. And then 1% Spain. And it says on the bottom, migration, African Caribbean. African Caribbean. I've been watching a lot of these on YouTube, but I really have not come across one that says the migration process of our location. And mine says the African Caribbeans, which is all of the West Antilles, pretty much. So they really couldn't tell you exactly where, but they're giving you a demographic of the African Caribbean. You can see that. So it's showing you Haiti, Dominican Republic, Cuba, and the Bahamas is where they imported us and brought us here in this area for the African Caribbeans, that the migration from 1825 to 1850. And that's where our migration process of where we were transported from Africa here. And in the 1850s to the 1900s, it says the same thing. It's just highlighting more of the smaller Antilles locations here. It shows you more of Jamaica, more of Puerto Rico, and some more of them here. I think that's, and then that's Puerto Rico. I can't see the others. Trinidad and things of that nature. So that's for the 1850 to the 1900s of African Caribbeans. And then in the back, from the 1900s to the 1925s, it's just showing the era of kind of where I'm supposed to be in. But obviously, I kind of know that I'm from this island right here, Haiti. First Republic, first to free ourselves from slavery. And also here from 1825 to 1950. It's just showing you the breakouts of where we went from there. And there you go, you guys. There you go, you guys. So that was pretty cool. I love learning more about me. I thought this was amazing. It would have been something I knew I would have done. So this is majority of my heritage. That's in circles. It shows you where part of my DNA is located from. So I don't know what part of Africa. Spain and Ireland, right? And we migrated here, and it just indicates that, you know, African Caribbeans got migrated here. And that's where all of the people, my mom, the rest of our descendants on both sides, my mom and dad, that's where they're all from. This beautiful island called Haiti. Okay. And that is it, you guys. Hopefully you guys try to figure out your history. I believe it's going to keep growing every year or decade. They'll probably fine-tune it more and more. I love it. And with the way the internet is running, you'll be able to link with your family eventually in the future, like your lost, found family kind of thing and things of that nature. And hopefully it goes out to be something very positive and things of that nature. And that was it, you guys. That was my results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe and continue on being a blessing to others. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.